Hey guys, welcome back to another Dirty Services video. This mini barn is going to be taken out and he's going to be doing it. Right? What?
Huh? Yeah, yes.
Long story short, house is being sold. Barn has to come down before it can be sold. Still got some stuff in it that's going to the trash, but we got some ground protection mats set up. Got a little 6-year-old that just will not stay out of our way, riding his little Yerf dog around. We've got my lovely grandma and my grandpa and the dump truck out there.
This?
Yes, I'm videoing this.
Where are you going to put your camera?
Probably in Steve's hand or your hand.
Oh, okay.
Got the dump truck out there and need to start just loading debris out. Right?
Right.
Right. All right, let's get to work.
Let's hope so.
And just like that, we've got the shed down. We got a very full load on the truck. Got the trailer dropped, road coned off, and we're gonna go dump it and come back. Hopefully squeeze the rest of this into one more load. We shall see. It is gonna be a tight fit.
Ooh. Yep. Came out nice and easy.
Yep. Happy with that. All right, back here at the site, we ended up with right around only 2 ton, which obviously is not much of a load, and a triaxle. But when you take into account that the volume's filled up, there's not much you can do. I could have possibly spent more time crushing it down, but we smashed the best we could. I don't want to crush it too far and everything get packed in there so tight it doesn't want to come out. And I was very shocked that it came out as easy as it did. Made me happy because I've had loads get stuck more times than I'd like. Steve's getting the trailer hooked back up, and then he's going to dump out this skid steer bucket of trash that's coming out of the house and go back to keeping this drive clean as we're passing through. Kind of hard to not drop stuff on this driveway. Just like that. Just dropping that piece of shingle. Because all these sheets of plywood, I think a lot of these came off the floor. They're stacked in, not squared up to each other. So you grab one piece and you got 3 others along with it. But trying to grab them in a way that it won't leave stuff all over the driveway every trip. Can't avoid all of it, but we'll avoid what we can. Shake test and then be on our way. Oh, wrong way. Oh, we got some traffic. Waiting on Steve. Sure we give him plenty of room. Well guys, sorry I didn't film very much today. We've been busting our chops. We were at the last retaining wall job, which has been the last 3-4 videos, I think. And we got wrapped up there this morning. Got equipment loaded out, and this job just happened to be in the same neighborhood. So we got over here about 11 o'clock. It is right now 3:56, about 4 o'clock. And Steve's got to go all the way back to my house, drop my truck off, get his car. So I'm trying to hustle to get him out of here. But we're almost done. Got to pull our ground protection mats, chain down equipment. We'll be on our way. All right, this one's all wrapped up. You can see where we had our ground protection mats. I don't know how much they actually help, but it's at least worth the effort to put them in. We've got this rough graded. Who knows what the next homeowner is going to do in this area, but I would imagine just some landscaping, mulch, river rock, or whatever. It's good enough to meet the terms of the conditions of what we need, right, Mr. Customer?
Correct.
All
Great
right.
job.
All right, do we have a happy customer?
Yeah, we do. Thank you.
All right, good deal. You'll get your bill in the mail. All right, thanks for watching the video. Check out some of our other videos and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it.